Welcome to the International Trade Division of Copernicus Consulting. Firstly, let me ask you a question. Would you and your business be interested in profitable opportunities in international markets? Hopefully the answer to that is yes, because for a business with the right product or service not to explore exports is, well, it's like having a business in Manchester and refusing to consider selling to Liverpool because of the language and the cultural barriers, or vice versa for that matter. That's where Copernicus comes in, as we have consultants across the UK. Perhaps more importantly, we have offices and consultants in various international markets, like Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Finland, Holland and Germany, France, Spain and China, and that's just for starters. Soon we will be also in Poland, Turkey, and well, that's enough for now. Let's just say we have ambitious plans to take our business and with it the potential for our clients across many more markets. To do this, we offer two essential services: Connecting Markets and Interim Key Account Management. Our Connecting Markets service does just what it says on the tin. It connects our clients, that is potentially you, with a business overseas to partner with. That could be to sell or to distribute through or to outsource a function, service or production line. What's more, we do it in 90 days by a proven, tested manner of operating that we've developed over the past 10 years. Whichever way, it adds profitable growth to your profit and loss account. Connecting Markets is a proven, logical fast track to international business success. People and businesses, B2B and B2C, they're not that different. They are still people, and people buy to enable them to do what they want to do and to fulfil their needs. They also buy from people because people build relationships, and international business is all about relationships. Also, unless you have an idea of your specific target customers and an understanding of their needs, you will find it very difficult to sell your product or service in a new market. Before attempting to enter any new market, Copernicus can define your position in the marketplace, define your product or service, identify your potential customers, their needs and expectations, determine the price your customers will be prepared to pay, identify the level of quality and service your customers require, describe your competitors, what they offer and their strengths and weaknesses, describe how best to communicate your message to your prospective customers, decide where your advertising campaign should be conducted, and estimate your potential market share. This is pre-market entry work, but why do it? Well, as an independent voice, we bring no preconceptions to the analysis. We have no personal agenda other than to guide you, our client, to international success. I know we keep coming back to that phrase, guide you to success, but we never get tired of it, and neither will you. So what do we set out to determine with our pre-market entry work? We set out to answer a few fundamental questions. Is the market there for our client? Who are our competitors? What is the price point in the market? What are the competitors' routes to market? What USP does our client have? Is the market mature, in decline, or is it growing? Why will potential customers change supplier? We build a business case and calculate the investment resources required and a payback for our clients. If the market is not there, we will tell you. If the market is there, we will help you to succeed in it. There's that word, success again. Copernicus has access to numerous published sources that can provide information related to your business idea. However, this is rarely good enough or sufficiently up to date for us to recommend you base major strategic decisions on such data. Copernicus are members of the Market Research Society. As such, our research involves talking to and observing your customers, potential customers and your competitors' customers. This kind of research provides information that is specific to you and is concerned with the impact that your business will make on the market, as well as that of your direct competitors and possible substitutes for your product in the future. For existing businesses, this will involve talking to customers, both actual and potential, and looking at the past performance on indicators such as sales volume. For companies new to an export market, this kind of research will require an assessment of likely demand and making contact with potential customers to find out the level of interest on your behalf. Our primary research is always valid by secondary research to ensure accuracy and honesty of respondents. It is essential to research the market for any product or service very carefully. If others are already offering something similar, why will customers change supplier? Conversely, gaps may exist because of lack of demand rather than lack of supply. Depending on your individual business circumstances, you may well be eligible for grants or subsidies that can contribute up to 50 or 60% of our fees. All our business revolves around working with business owners and stakeholders. We know how precious every cent invested in new business development is, and that you expect and indeed require a return on that investment. We also know how valuable the grants can be to a small business and how tough it is to find the time to apply for them. No problem there. Copernicus offers a grant identification and support service for each and every one of our clients. Let me summarise by asking yet another question. Why is Copernicus to assist with international expansion? We are not a government body, we are commercial results driven. Our work is client specific for each market entry research and strategy, no off-the-shelf solutions of desk research that nobody reads. We offer solutions for the markets where we have a physical presence and local knowledge. We're customer focused, we look at your business potential from the viewpoint of your potential customers. We deliver qualitative research. Market Research Society membership is your assurance of quality work. Dynamic projects delivered in 90 days. No bureaucracy, results, pure and simple. From strategic planning to implementation, we are local and international. Connecting markets, creating opportunities and delivering results. We have an extensive network in the UK, Scandinavia, the Netherlands, Germany, Western Europe and beyond. Creating mutual trade and opportunities from market to market. Own market presence with our own Copernicus consultant team. The necessary linguistic competences, German, English, Danish, Norwegian, Swedish, Finnish and Chinese are all at your disposal. Working with local inward investment agencies, we ensure that whatever support or grant you are eligible for, you have the opportunity to go for it. To work with Copernicus is to work with a dedicated team, bringing new ideas and increased profitability to you, our client. And why? Because business is local. For more information on how to take your international business to the next level, contact us today at info@copernicus-consulting.com. But there is more. What do you do when you actually have international customers? Supporting key accounts or distributors internationally is tough, and new market entrants have a decision to make. How to support new hard-won clients, how to communicate to best effect, how to demonstrate trust and commitment, and what resources should be invested. How does that impact on core domestic business or other more established export markets? Well, you can go down the traditional and, let's face it, high-cost routes. Travel from domestic market on a monthly or twice monthly basis. Spend a couple of days a month out seeing the customers your distributor wants you to see. Is travelling time effective time? Emailing every day, speaking on the phone, provide bilingual literature, share exhibitions, invite them or their customers to visit you. Are these really cost-effective ways to build real market share? Copernicus has more than 10 years' experience connecting clients in international markets. We have representatives or offices in Scandinavia, Western Europe and China, and soon we open in Poland, Turkey and elsewhere. Our network already extends across 42 countries. We are your cost-effective solution to increased market share. Let me now introduce you to the Copernicus Interim Key Account Manager service. Here we're going to offer you local office and phone number answered in your name, local linguistic and cultural business acumen, a short lead time, the recruitment process and people due diligence has already been taken care of. Your distributors or end user clients feel valued by your investment. Able to communicate with you in written and spoken business English. Your representative on behalf of your company servicing your accounts locally. What's more, it's flexible and very, very effective. 2 to 10 days a month representation by your interim for your business. Trained by you in your products at your premises. Using your company documentation and procedures, your business cards and brand, and as far as your client is concerned, your investment in the local market. Now that shows commitment. Daily real-time reports and action plan after every client visit straight into your CRM system, or a simple action log by email. For example, this is what you have to do back at base, what the next steps with the customer are and what actions your interim will be carrying out. Fixed costs plus travel and out-of-pocket expenses at cost to pre-budgeted agreements. A minimum 3-month contract with only 1 month's notice. And as soon as your business achieves critical mass levels of sales, units, profit contribution, we hand over to your full-time representative, sales office or JV professionally and continue to support you if required. Like everything we do at Copernicus to guide you to success, it's simple. It's cost-effective, hassle-free and results-driven. Contact us today for more information on info@copernicus-consulting.com.